Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I'm going to tell you guys screenshot setting in Oppo K10 phone. In this video guys, we will talk about how to on guys this three finger to take screenshot setting as you want to on in your phone. So guys, you can on your three finger to take screenshot setting in Oppo K10 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you are watching it for the first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, first of all, open your phone setting. Guys, click on system setting. The system setting guys, click here. Guys, come on screenshot. And guys, three finger swipe down as we will on from here. So as you can see, swipe down with three finger to take screenshot. So as now you can take your screenshot from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on three finger to take screenshot in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel.